Yebenya Tamils. Enya niama obeye ni nano bi ane ne ya adwene. He. En confirm ura Mahama. Enya ne niama obeye ye ni na. Ena na ye de. Nanso Ghana for your mind to forward. Ghana for dwene Ghana ho say ansa na MPP beba no. Na ye wo man bi a ye friend Gold Coast Ghana. Ansa na NDC. Yebe kuni peri abeda na ye ho because ye mpesi yebe wubi ntetwetwe bi asura ya asiana. Ye mpesi yebe twa ye tibiti said ye twitwa nkrofo papa no mutichi twa omo sa akode no mutwitwa omo ni nti no. Now, let me put this perspective down and focus on one serious issue. People tend not to know. Okay? Ebra, ya Papa Mahama.
Hello, Faria. Yes, this is a big shout out to you and the whole Bell Nubian skincare crew. Listen, keep doing what you're doing and keep empowering women to be financially independent in Africa. All right? We need more like you working for us. Peace.
Frequent pa ye fra de bi demonstration na mama menka ase mi nkyere mo ye Papa Mahama demonstrations na enkrofo okọ no enya se bia na omo okọ no kwa wo Madam Doris de wo mu ne se omo ana wo mu ye adwuma ma Ghana ni na ye ntua ye ka enti ene nurse fo omo se ye a doctor for yes, a cost strike. We yes, a cost strike. They had the reason, and guess what they were going to strike for? Pay. Now me that show difference we can crowd her. Now my show the entire you people can never compare Mahama to Akufo Addo. Never. Try. And now a teacher flow. When you obiasi your cost striker, what are they talking about? Condition of service. Me boy. What is a teacher for sorry go jina bontin say ye ntua ye ka 2 months 3 months da since Akufo Addo buy mon kan tell me mo wants publication no mo fa meto bontin me say since Akufo Addo buy ye what is a government workers be out to ye hu agu bontin say ye ntua ye ka enti na ye demonstration ana me pe ba ko here be ya. Yes, I want to know Madora me person will be a original platform you soon kire me. Say Akufo Addo nkrofo ye omo so omo ko demonstration ni wo mumu wan wo so wo ko demonstration because ye ntua ne ka. It's never true. What are they fighting for? And na de ye tua ne ka na ketua ne ba ma origin ne dachen, which is very important too. Mesremo the teacher for if they need better condition of service they need it. I will not even go even though say the omo ye no politically I'm like motivated, teachers need good condition of service. But I am a person me kaya teacher for na and normal pretty good condition of service and they say every be ba ya no ma me papa sister ho fe na wo kira dia ye ntua wo ka wo ye say wo kika ho kakra say yemfa usika ma no utie de ba ye ana employment for wo ho ka kira mo say mo teacher for no kura no yemfa mo adwuma mo mu paper na ekura mu na mu gina say ya fa mo adwuma na ye fake enti age say ye say reissue another paper at the mamo ansa na ye say ya fa mo adwuma. Look at this. These teachers have sat in the classroom and taught for more than 3 years ye enti omoka ye ba ye say ye beji ye sika ade ya Mahama ne na ban ka kiro mo ne say ye ntua mu sika bia na mo kura no my appointment na ekura mu na ye fake appointment. When you be a mawasi, I will born chrono, says India. Was it when you be a mana, and this for your son born chrono? But they did. They did. Me say, me poor be obeying our catcher, me say, a good fight by an muntiame. It's not about salary. Everybody is fighting for condition of service. See, you be a dental care, you be a special drug plan. Ebia ye increment of pay no say instead of 1% no munye no 2% mayen munye ni say just say everybody has come to realize say Akufo Addo ye nipa bi a wo kasa otie enti ansa no be free so no wo bia amfa ne dadwen kogu no so no solve once one because sanya sa na papa free so ne ya kofa tunele tunafo we ba yawu wo besia be gubi bia enti ene One more when you bring your back and snack and your back and may say it is not because say it's their salary. It is because they want a better condition of life. Could you welcome? Under Mahama, their basic salaries were not paid. So they had to go to fight for their daily bread. And the Akufo, their pay come, however, they want more. And that is what you do. As a citizen, you keep this government on their toes like that. Who say why you not signed about quiet? Then you want hey, daddy now can say 1 year you I am pinio you because strike. John also to no people no that is you see, keep them accountable and ask for more. You don't just come and sit on social media and follow some foolery, some party who is desperate to come to power by all means to come and put there so that two people can come and do the bidding for them. The ya may hear about Ghana for and say, it's a Diana. The man may ya me Ghana say. Omo kwaya campaign you said, sir, omo demonstration na. Unim party ya ediomachi, NDC. Anyan krofo we no mo ka kire mo say. One ya magic for one ya magic no mama mu adwuma no. Hey. Enyan krofo we na wo koto abama na obeka kire wo say, Mr. Mahama, I'm not a magician to put money in your pocket na. Dia wanya adwuma ma no. Ghana for politics in tijimie na adults wo. Dia wanya adwuma ma wo ka kire na ade na sister Lily. Dia shame wo mu nie. Papa bia ye bisa no de o say Ghana for graduate no, omo ye lazy. Lazy saying. Dia oye yi min chire musa denti no omo ye lazy. Asemu a all can say abo Ghana ebo onye na. Na ubetumi agada ebo na wa papa ya at least bosome ba ku benya one trip no akoton. Na
asemu be chire a free papa so problem nya dia so Akufo Addo there. Some of us disagree and we think we've not been fair to this government. Say nyina ye collectively ye come mind problem say Ghana baby e sha say nka say ba na ye do baby a fine, but say obeswa Ghana problem free mun kroma pen so gorgeous back time e dey ba beswa Akufo Addo so say no na ye some of us we disagree and we have to be fair to the MPP. Na ye koye nimu me ba be yi video a kirew na wo hu say nkrofo no asem na omo ka say e kasa tutrasem ni wo yende basabasa ye wo Ghana de obi antimi mu o ya ampa so obi antimi mu enti sa arise Ghana no demonstration omo ye no NDC for ekọ abodamfo fie anka psychiatric hospitals e wo Ghana nyina no mu ekoyi abodamfo ha but omo dam